Today we are going to learn a basic knowledge about elephants. There are three main groups of elephant. There are African savanna elephants, which live in savanna zones south of the Sahara Desert. There are African forest elephants that live in dense rainforests in West and Central Africa. Lastly, there are Asian elephants, which are found in India, Sri Lanka, China, and Southwest Asia. The different groups of elephants widely range in population size. There are an estimated 450,000 to 700,000 African elephants. And there are about 35,000 to 40,000 Asian elephants. An elephant's diet consists mostly of grasses, leaves, bamboo, bark, and roots. Elephants have also been known to eat on crops of bananas and sugarcane. Adult elephants eat about 300 to 400 pounds of food a day. Elephants live in herds and develop deep family bonds within the herds. The herds are led by the oldest and usually largest female elephant, called the matriarch. Herds can range in size from 8 to 100 elephants. Mating season for elephants is mostly during the rainy season. When calf elephants are born, they can weigh between 200 to 250 pounds. Calves are raised by the entire matriarch herd, not just their birth mother. Elephants are very intelligent creatures and have great memories. They use these memories to guide them to food and water during dry seasons.